have you. Thanks for joining me once again. So if you're new to this channel, you are welcome, and if you are not new, you're also welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you could actually use your conditioner and mix it with moringa powder and other ingredients and apply it on your hair, which will actually give you a healthy hair. This particular treatment is going to help combat dandruff, itchy scalp, split ends, hair falls, and the rest of them. You know I love moringa, and I've actually experimented moringa in different ways, and it really works amazingly. Moringa contains a lot of helpful antioxidants, which is not only good for the hair but good for the entire health as well. So if you want to see what comprises of my other ingredients to make this hair mask, please kindly watch this video to the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and the bell that's just right beside it, so that you will be the first to be notified anytime a new and informative video drops in this channel. So without taking so much of your time, why not come with me to my drawing board? Let me show you how I actually make this deep conditioning mask using moringa, conditioner, and other helpful ingredients as well. So let's go. Now we're going to be using the castor oil here, my moringa oil. I actually extracted this one myself, and I also have a video on how to extract moringa oil for your hair, and I'm gonna be leaving the link up there, and I'll also leave the link in the description box. Please do check that video out. So I'm gonna be using, of course, is the moringa powder, and we're going to be mixing all this up with a conditioner from Just For Me. You can use any conditioner that you have. Going to be adding an essential oil. I'm also going to be adding a vitamin E. So to make this treatment, the first thing I'm gonna go in with is the moringa oil. You know that the moringa has a lot of benefits when it comes to hair, and it contains a lot of antioxidants which help curb dandruff, hair falls, and it also strengthens the natural hair. So I'm gonna be adding half a cup of the moringa oil. Wow, you could see how this looks. So I'm gonna put this away. If I need more, I'll definitely go for it. The thing I'm going to do is to add my castor oil. I'm gonna make this just half of it. You know that the castor oil helps in strengthening the hair and thickens the hair. So adding castor oil onto your hair regimen is something that you should consider if you don't have it already. Is to go in with my conditioner. I'm actually measuring everything up, so this one I'm gonna leave a full one of it. So just add that to it. Now it is time for us to go in with the moringa. Okay, the moringa powder. I'm just going to use this other spoon to measure it in. Okay, so I have it. I'm going to add 1 tablet of the vitamin E oil. It helps promote hair growth. So I'm just gonna puncture this and add to it. So after doing that, this is how it looks, and I'm going to mix everything together. up looks, but it actually looks very thick. So I'm going to be adding another conditioner to it. So I'm just showing you how you should actually do this when you're ready to do your wash day. So after preparing this mask, you're just going to apply it on your wet hair, and you can prepare as much quantity as you want, as enough that it will be able to go around on your hair. When you finish preparing it, you section your hair into manageable sections. Apply it generously to your hair. Apply it on your hair, you actually cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap and allow it to generate heat for like 30 to 1 hour before you wash it off. So if you're actually going to do this in the salon, or you're going to be using the heat cap, you can actually do it for like 20 minutes and it is now safe to wash it off. But there is something I have to point out before you go. Ensure that you have enough water at home before you consider using this treatment, because in my previous video someone said I didn't mention it, but I mentioned it. So when you are using the Moringa mask for your hair, ensure that you have enough water in your house, and you know that your bathroom is actually going to be greeny and messy, and it's usually a lot of work. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be applying this on my hair because I already done that. And if you want to see how I'm going to apply this on my hair, please kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to do that for you on my next wash day. I'm actually making this video after my wash day, so on my next wash day I'm going to show you how I actually apply all this on my hair. Thank you so much for watching this video up till this point. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell that's just right beside it. That is just to notify you anytime I post a new and interesting video in this channel. And if you think that there are issues that I did not cover up in this video, please drop them in the comments below and I'm going to respond to it ASAP. The next time when I come your way again, this is where I'm gonna be ending my video, and see you.